hope you are doing great today. I'm at one of the most perfect bakeries in Dubai, and now I want to order this croissant, which is how much is that? It's almost around $15, but let's go. I ordered this croissant, and now I want to show you how to make this at home with cheaper price, which is more affordable, more delicious, and more healthier. This is Earl Grey tea that you can find everywhere, and it's so cheap. So tasty. Now I want to try this very berry croissant with cream and very berries. Don't worry if you cannot go to bakeries and eat this. I can easily teach you how to make it at home and eat all of that croissants. For example, around 10, 12 croissants at home, which is so delicious, more delicious, gluten-free and sugar-free. Welcome back to my channel. Now we want to make a croissant dough together. First of all, we have our flour. We need 2 cups of flour, 2 cups, 1 spoon of yeast, 2 spoons of sugar, warm milk, and warm water. Put it in the microwave, only for example, 3 seconds. Most of warm milk, remove water. Okay, you mix all the dry ingredients well together. Now we have warm milk. We are adding warm milk. Mix it well, and warm water. We are mixing well all ingredients together. I think we need more water. At this stage, we can add butter. You can add butter. At this stage, we can mix all ingredients with hands. We can have butter here and push it little bit. We don't have dough maker, but if you have, it is better to use that dough maker because it's so easier and it doesn't need to knead all your dough like this. You can try with another hand. After reaching this texture, we should put our dough beside for resting around 90 minutes. Have the texture. It's going to rest for 90 minutes at room temperature. Okay, after 90 minutes resting, we punch our dough. Look, our dough is ready, and for double rest, we put it in refrigerator. Well, now I want to make my butter block to put it inside of my dough. I cut my baking paper, put it aside, and also we need unsalted butter. This is 200 grams of butter that we should put it inside of our dough for making smoother and better. We can make it thinner because it's a little bit thick and we need thinner one. This is our butter block. I want to open up this butter. I need a little bit rest of this butter because it needs room temperature to open up better and become more smoother. I think you should better buy a prepared croissant dough because the process is a little bit hard. That's it. We should put it in refrigerator for 1 hour. Well, I take it out my dough from the refrigerator after resting, and now I just want to open up my dough to show you how it's gonna be. A roller like this. You should open up this dough for putting the butter block inside of that. Ta-da! It must be straight for having better shape. This is my butter block as I showed you before. Now I want to put it inside of this dough. And again, open up the roller. But you must be assured that you stick all of these corners together. It's time to have 4 folds. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 folds here. We put it in refrigerator for resting around 1 hour, and again we put it back and we can make our croissant. Okay guys, I want to bring back my dough from the refrigerator and let's go! Croissant dough. Before putting in my cupboard, I should little bit put flour. Again, we are opening up. For this area that we have butter, just little apply flour and that's it. It mustn't be like this. Now I want to cut my dough for shaping the croissant like this. Ding. I cut little bit here and for better shaping. Jiggly piggly poo. Our proving time is finished, and now I want to brush the egg wash on top of our croissant. Look at here. Okay, now it's time to bake these special croissants. I put it in the oven in 180 centigrade for 30 minutes from one side. And also I wanna say you one magic. This is that water. We should put this water here for better cooling and having humid environment for having smooth and soft croissants. Let's go. I'm sure 100% that the texture is amazing and also the taste is amazing. Don't look at the shape and appearance of this croissant. I'm sure it is amazing, really. Believe me, look. Look at the layers. Smells like heaven. Chickily pickily boo. Our croissant is ready and we should design it with cream and berries. Okay guys, after one day, I want to invite you to the most exciting part of my dessert, which is dressing and designing. Well, now today I used the microphone for better voice for you, and I prefer using this cream with berries and croissants. I think this is most beautiful. First of all, we should open up this croissant front side. Let me show you the layers. Look, and after that, I'm using 1 spoon of raspberry jam inside of that. If you want, you can use more, but I prefer using 1 spoon. And cream. Also, I want to use my berries. Just a little bit. Be more creative and more passionate about this dessert. Well, final products. Hope you make and enjoy with your beloved ones. As much as you want, you can eat it and enjoy it. Diggily diggily boo.